A very happy Teachers' Day to all the wonderful teachers. Today, when we celebrate the Teachers' Day, we feel so happy, satisfied, honored with all the love our students shower on us to make us feel so special, right? With the beautiful smiles, hugs, chocolates, roses, and many more. They express their love and gratitude towards us in various means, and we really feel happy. More than that, we feel wanted. That acknowledgement of the hard work what we have been doing for them. Really, it's a wonderful day for us. When we are physically present in a classroom, it's for sure all our children come to us, they hug us, they express their gratitude, their love, right? But today, when I was reading my mails, few messenger texts, and WhatsApp, right? That time I realized that as and when the year passed by, the number of greetings, messages, everything comes down, right? Every year you don't get the same number of greetings and messages. As and when the time passes, the number of greetings may increase or decrease. And that's in our hands, right? We need to think for a moment. Is it actually in our hands? Yes, it is actually, because we touch the lives of students. We are living in an electronic era where this 21st century generation, these students are very fast. Just remember our school days. We were not like this. But now we are preparing this generation who are more faster than us, who are more smarter than us. They know Google, YouTube, Twitter, or whatever the social media and the platforms are available for them. And they feel that if they don't go to school also, they don't sit in the classroom also, they can easily learn. There are different apps, learning apps, which provide them good content. And I really appreciate these learning apps which are available. Those we can really use as a teaching aid for us, right? So thanks to all of them too. But are we creating an impact on our students? Yes, we have to. Because Google can give you everything, the content what you need. But the way I deliver the content, can Google deliver it? Each and every teacher has to think this. When a child comes to classroom, are we touching them? Are we touching the personal life of a child? So, being the 21st century teachers, my message to all the young teachers, especially whom we are creating a new generation, right? Let's inculcate good values in them. Let's give a personal touch to whatever we teach. And after many years also, you may get the same number of greetings because you are going to make your signature in their heart, not on the paper. So that kind of impact we have to create among our students and our team. And they must proudly say that yes, I was her student or I was her teammate, and we had a wonderful time learning together. And each one of you may be blessed with the students who will make you proud, and you will also say, yes, he or she was my student or he or she was my teammate. I would like to thank all my mentors, my teachers, my gurus from the bottom of my heart. If I can say happily that I am a satisfied teacher, it's because of you. Thank you so much. Respect the differences, whatever you come across in your profession, but hold on to the values, live for the values, inculcate good values in our students. We are the creators. We touch the lives. Let's prove that neither Google nor YouTube can replace a good teacher. All the best to all of you. Take care. Have a good day. and a very happy Teachers' Day to the young and energetic teachers.